Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible and give the basics on how I make my baked chicken wings, the little drumettes. I'm going to show you the type of seasonings I use, how long I cook it for, and my process. I know this is kind of like an easy thing. A lot of people might say, oh, I know how to make baked chicken wings, but some people don't. They don't get it. So this is just like a quick, helpful tutorial to show you how I make mine. The way that they're here now, it's normally I make these on Sunday, and then I'll have them for lunch for the rest of the week. So I'll show you how I do all of this right after this intro. So I'm going to be making about a pound of chicken wings. So I've already washed and cleaned my chicken. I am one of those people that washes their chicken. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it into a bowl. And the first thing I add is some type of marinade sauce, whether that's buffalo sauce. This is Parmesan garlic sauce. But when I bake chicken wings, I want it to sit in the sauce. It really helps with getting that juicy flavor. And it's not really an amount I use. I just normally put in enough to cover the wings. So if I was working with more than a pound, like 2 pounds, I would double up the amount of sauce that I just dumped into the bowl. I just want to make sure that they are totally coated. So I'll mix them around in the bowl with a pair of tongs just to make sure it gets onto every piece. And then once I get that tossed, I normally stick it in the refrigerator for like 15 or so minutes to do something else, and then come back to lay my wings out onto a baking sheet. So with the baking sheet, I normally take about a tablespoon of butter and take like a pastry brush and spread the butter out. While the oven was heating, which I heat the oven to 350, I stick the butter on top of the aluminum foil on top of the stove, and I have a gas stove, so the heat off of the stove melts down the butter, which makes it easy to spread out. And then I will add just a little bit of olive oil as well. I like to make sure that the foil is totally covered, just so my chicken doesn't stick to the foil. And then I go ahead and lay out my chicken. I don't want to pile it on top of each other. I just want to make sure that they're spaced out and they have a lot of room for air to circulate. Once I get the wings situated on the pan, once again, have them spread out and not piled on top of each other, I'm going to go ahead and add a lemon pepper seasoning. You can use whatever you want on your chicken. I like Parmesan garlic and I like lemon pepper, and so I combine them together. But if you like buffalo sauce, if you like some type of spicy seasoning, do whatever you want. This is just my favorite flavor profile. So once I get my seasoning on here, I'm gonna pop these in the oven once again at 350 for 50 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, they are going to be golden brown. Yes, you're going to have some burntness on the aluminum foil. That's with any type of baking, but your wings aren't going to stick because we put on butter and we put on olive oil. And we're done. I told you guys that this would be a quick video, just like a little quick tutorial of how I do it. You can always jazz it up with your own flavors. And then once again, I space them out like this because I normally make these on Sunday, and then I pack them up for at least 2 days worth of lunch, or if I make more wings and I have more days of lunch. I hope you guys like this little quick video. I'm going to be putting out some more videos this week, but I did want to get this one up and posted. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are into food videos, if you are into Instant Pots, if you are into quick meals, if you are into travel. I also do that. This is a channel for you. I hope you subscribe. See you all later.